for today's video ay maglalaro tayo ng Berry Prison with my brother. Yeah, look at him. Okay, he's lagging or I'm lagging. Okay, I think he's lagging. Bro, ba't siya pumupunta ron? This is a secret way to learn how to play games that you have. Tapos meron na rin pala silang pwedeng na maglaban. Okay. Ba na yung Berry Prison yun, guys? Kaya don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Bacon Team is the best. It's the best YouTuber in the whole entire world. Yeah. Basta. Okay, bro, so laggy. Okay, I'm lagging, not him. I'm lagging. Okay, let's go. Oh, iba na talaga. Okay, I'm lagging too bad. Whoa. Oh, I'm gonna fight you. Oh wait, try nga natin to mag-fight. Ching. Watch out. Patay. Let's go. Ching. Okay, boss dying. Boss dying. Okay, let's go now. Don't want to play anymore. Oh, Berry, please, don't hurt me. You chad boy. Di mo mapupunta. Di mo ko mabul kasi sobrang taba mo. Di mo man kayang tumalon dito. But di mo man kaya tumalon dito, di ba? Di na kaya mo kasi mahina ka. Okay. Oops. Let's go, guys. It's the easiest OB entire whole game. Yung Berry Prison na naghabol. Sobrang dali niya. Okay. Hello. No, I'm dead. Why is she dead? I'm lagging. Okay, I'm dead. Where's the freezing? Ew. Okay. I'm lagging too bad. Don't know why. Stop. Come on, dude. I'm just lagging. You're lucky. Bro, it's so stinky in here. Berry, you're a policeman. Why you not taking your own job here? I don't care about you. No. Bye-bye. Oh. The power of Minecraft.
I am Steve.
Yeah, the power of Minecraft. Bro, this is Minecraft now. Not this Berry Prison. It's Minecraft Berry Prison. That's you call. Okay, not a bat, dude. I'm not a bat. I mean, not a bat. Because I'm not batting for 1 week. Oh, I'm just joking. Oh, English. Okay. Yung meatball. Meatball, don't hurt me, meatball. Don't hurt me. I'm just a little bacon. Just minding my business. Okay, kaya natin to, guys. Speedrunning. I'm speedrunning the whole game. So, let's not see. Oh, nagbago na si... What's bros going, dude? Oh, got trick! Ha! I'm just joking. Nagbibiro lang ako. Ba't mo wala pag... Click. Oh, bro got trick. Bro got tricked by his own bacon. No way, bro got tricked by a bacon. No way, dude. Bye-bye. Bro, cannot even go to stair, yeah. Bro, so noob. Bro, akit na lang siya. Okay. Okay. Wala akong... Regen. What? Sabi niya, regen pa. The easiest part ever, pero no. Washing. Okay, wala kayong nakita. Bro, I'm Spiderman. I mean, I'm Flash with Spiderman and Superman. Cause I'm stoppable. I'm not stoppable. I'm stable. Okay. Now I shut up. Okay, come on now. How did I die? Okay. How did I die? Freezing. Okay. Hey cameraman. Hey cameraman. You know, skip the toilet and fight them, right? I'm gonna stop. Gonna say anything. Okay. That you call luck, but at the same time, it's you call skill. Okay. Why did I jump early? You know, cause Flash and Superman and Spiderman, I make mistake. Yeah. Pero hindi na ngayon, day. Ako na si Batman. Justice. I'm fighting for justice. Woo! Dito ako namatay. Bro, there's a fart in your mouth? No way, dude. Saya ba? Washing! Oh. I will fight for you. Okay, never mind. Oh, storage room. Wait, go. I can escape now. No. Okay, come on now. I'm so pro. I can do this. I can do this all the time. Yeah, cause. Okay. Shing! I'm power of justice. I can float in the air and never gonna air. Oh, how to drop? Oh, there we go. Shing! Shing! I'm lagging. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Okay, I'm dead. I get a bacon. I get my bacon in my sheesh. Naluto yung bacon ko. Guess we're, you know, we're the bacon team. Okay. Bro! I'm just gonna speed. Okay, let's go. Sheesh, for justice. I'm floating in the air. Because I'm Batman. Yes, sir. That one never made a mistake. Because he's Batman. He's you didn't see that? Because I'm just rewind the video. Because I'm Batman. I'm Batman. You know that? I'm Batman. Yeah, I can do this all day. Yeah. Shush. Because I'm Batman. Oh, sige na kumulog. Batman never lost. Guess he's finding for justice. Oh, let's go. Nah, stop. Enough talking. Yeah, enough talking. Oh, close the voice. What the hell? Justice! Never mind. That you call justice, that you call bustice. You know what that mean? Comment down below kung ano next lalaruin ko. At don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay? Hey! Yeah, you know how to do that. Cause I'm justice. I mean, I'm bustice. Wait! Bustice is saving the day. Okay, wala kayo narinig. Okay, I finally did it for 1 hour. That took a long time because justice. I mean, justice floating in the air. Okay, I cannot shield. Justice. Whee! Okay, wait. Okay, I'm not. Bro, just go. Whee! Oh, canteen. I mean cafeteria. Justice. Oh, yeah. Pushing. Okay. Oh, your belly fat hit me with your. Okay. Oh sheesh. Oh she. Oh she. Mommy. Justice. Hey yo. Dude. Chip chop choo. Oh my god, I'm rich. Where's the second cafeteria? Then the plane slide, because I like the slide. Okay, Bacon, we're going with the slide. We're going to slide. Okay, yay! There's the slide. Just this. Let's go. Wee. Oh. That you call justice. Well, let's go. Exit. Oh, this is not exit. You just know what is exit. Okay, there's a red apple. Weave. I'm weaving because I'm justice. Okay. I never die. Justice never die because he's only the one with my heart. Yeah, Justice, Batman, Superman, Barberman. Okay, let's go. I'm going to Justice. Justice is all around. Okay. I like a demon, but a cute demon with a beacon hair and a beacon sword that can use justice. Okay. This is a secret for you guys if you don't know how to play Minecraft. Okay, just please that. Okay, and let's carry this. Didn't mean like that, okay? Let's go, justice. Oh. Where did I just hit my bound into hair? Wow! Oh, I'm doing it. Beep. Oh, drip. Triple drip. Justice is dripping. Oh, spin around. Gas. Go to gas. Hey, go gas. Hey man, don't get out. I'm getting my. Oh, come here, man. I'm robbing the store. Give me all your money. Yeah, I'm gonna break the store with my machine. Just open agad kasi sobrang pugi ko. Wala na yung sun, thankfully. Oh, come on now. Just this. I'm pushing the box. So heavy. Oh, what the? I can do. Justice is climbing the window in the building. We're rescuing a baby girl. Let's go. I'm rescuing a baby girl. Let's go now to helicopter. Helicopter. Justice is in the helicopter. Oh, my police car is gone. Washing. Hey, I'm twerking. Saan ako titik nito? No. It's taking me anywhere. The justice become a policeman. I don't know how to. Oh no, I'm scared. Justice. I open the door. A rocket ship. Let's go, rocket ship. Spawn. Sell. This is cool. But justice is getting the right of man. Okay. Let's go. I'm flying to the moon. Let's go to the moon. Saan tayo nagpunta? Hey, yo! What the hell? Hey, yo, Mr. Man. Why did I come here? I'm justice. What the hell? Ba't ako nandito? Help me! Okay guys, alam ko na kayo yun. Pero kung nagustuhan yung video ko, don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell para alam nyo kung may bago akong video o wala. Kaya ito, susunod na to ay papatay natin to. Si Alien Dude. Okay guys, bye bye, love y'all.